Welcome to cooking Thai curry. Cook your rice with 1 teaspoon of oil and white vinegar to make it extra fluffy. Dice your pumpkin, carrots, and potatoes into equal size. Take your turmeric and smash it! And smash it again! Slice your mushrooms. Wow, chopping is hard. Let's take a break. When I take a break, I like to chill with my homies, Coco and Max. Why? Haha, that was funny. Here's the ingredients. It's also listed below. Haters will say, what? Green curry paste? I thought this was from scratch. How could you use something pre-made? Well, no. Just no. God. Oil your pan and saute your bay leaves, onions, and turmeric for around 2 minutes. Then add lemongrass and celery. After around 5 minutes, you can add your chopped potatoes, carrots, and pumpkin. That was insanity! Did you even see that flip? Oh my god. Now you want to add your curry paste. The sauce is a little dry, so you gotta make it moist. Add around half a cup of vegetable broth and let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Here I add 1 1/4 cup of coconut milk, but you can adjust to your liking. This is chicken imitation meat, black pepper flavored, but you can add whatever you like. I'm just cooking it for 5 minutes. Here I'm taking out lemongrass because you can't eat that, and when it's almost finished you can add your mushrooms and tomatoes. Oh, and towards the very end you can mix in your imitation meat. And you're done. That looks insane. That looks like a $20 plate at a really bougie restaurant. Anyways, thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.